June 4th, Tuesday, heat wave. Instructional building. Oh, trigonometry, apparently. Sine, cosine. Yeah, definitely trigonometry. It's somewhat chilly around here. If the air conditioning shifts closer. No, you are now the air conditioning. That bead is ice element. So you are giving off a nice cold breeze. Strange. I've been able to commit to memory everything the teacher has said. Furthermore, I can make my own extrapolations and swiftly grasp the most important points. While wearing this bead, my mind feels brisk and agile. It usually takes me 3 or 4 tries before I can memorise English words or phrases, yet I can do that now after seeing and hearing them just once. This is already beyond the boundaries of what science can explain. This ice bead, is there really a ghost spirit sealed within? Cultivation isn't just the stuff of legends. Immortals that can ride clouds and control fog, do they really exist? Moving mountains and turning the seas, can that really be done? If these things really exist, then the Tunis from that 9 provinces #1 group are actually immortal cultivators.